The newly designed multi-product line gave us now the opportunity to address the challenges of a volatile market because it is designed as a flexible manufacturing concept. At the same time, we want to achieve quality improvements and additional productivity. With the technology we have added in our multi-product line, this is exactly where it will meet these kind of objectives. Besides giving also the next step of transparency even to the customer.
There's not a one-size-fits-all. Different solutions will have different use cases in different business types, and that's the value we can provide as Connected Industry consultants in mapping the correct technology to the right business setting.
Using an agile framework does allow for the customer to be more involved in the project, giving input as to what their expectations are, what they would like to see out of a sprint, to dictate or to determine what the development team would be working on during a specific sprint.
With flexible partners comes opportunity. We look also for quick, adaptable and economic solutions and incorporate the new technology.
So with this smart and connected assembly line, what we've done with the augmented reality, with the AGVs, and with the gantry is actually focus those efforts on improving the value. So we're displaying the correct information in the correct manner. We're giving them the material when they need it, and we're doing the manual torquing operations for them so they can focus on building the correct product the correct way. It's really a 5-axis gantry machine. And what we're able to do is feed it from 2 different directions. So if you imagine I'm the operator, I could be working on the left material side or on the right. And we do that for a specific reason. If I'm working on the left, the material on the right can be exchanged at our bottleneck station without experiencing any change over time. While I'm getting the next components, the gantry is actually coming down automatically and doing the torquing operation. Whereas in current state, if I was the associate building the valve, I would have to be doing that operation. Now we're creating more or less parallel steps in there to reduce the cycle time. So our operator assist technology is really a projector for a visual indicator combined with a motion controller or a 3D camera to capture where the operator is reaching. So we shine a light down indicating where we want that operator to pick a component from, also simultaneously displaying text instructions on that work surface. And then again, we go ahead and verify that with the 3D camera, that they actually did the correct operation. And it will not advance until that correct operation is performed. So it's a small check in your process that must be confirmed correct or good, no good, that it will not let a bad part advance that isn't according to our standard. Our highest risk would be the pick and place operation for the operator, meaning that the operator or associate would pick the incorrect component and assemble it. So now with the augmented reality feature overlaid on top, we're able to instruct and catch those errors before they would actually occur. In the background of the 3 key technologies that we've already discussed, we have a 4th technology that really brings them all together. That would be our RFID technology, and we have several use cases for that. We have a RFID implementation on a 2-bin Kanban system, RFID tracking on the production carts that are sent to the line for that flexible material delivery, and also inside the line to track the operator, because we have badges that you can actually determine which operator is building that valve, and also tracking that product through the line is also done via RFID. Another fail-safe check we have is to look back at the previous operations to make sure that all were done correctly.
Bosch's over 100 years of manufacturing experience can help you leverage Industry 4.0 to reduce your bottom line and improve your customer experience. Let our Connected Industry consultants guide you in the development of a plan and strategy and execution of that strategy for a successful Connected Industry future.
The use of the Agile framework here at Bosch Rexroth, along with our strong competencies of our development team on the multi-product line project, will allow us to quickly deliver value add to our customers.
So this multi-product line was designed to be modular, flexible, so customers are easily able to pick and choose what features or technologies they'd like with our line and easily implement them themselves.
So the risk is very minimal, the payback is much greater. And the more we go, and the more we add smartness and intelligence to our production concepts, the more we gain and get the benefits. When we start, we are part of tomorrow and part of our new markets and are still part with our customer.